friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the benchmark test in the iPhone 14 Pro Max device on the day one after unboxing. So just now friends, a couple of hours back I did do the unboxing video, and right now I did not install any kind of many applications in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and let's see what will be the overall benchmark scores you can actually expect in this iPhone 14 Pro Max on the day one after unboxing the device. That's what this video is about. And right now the battery percentage is exactly 95%, so we should be pretty good to do the benchmarking test. And these are the few benchmarking applications only I have installed, and this is my first time doing the benchmarks in this iPhone 14 Pro Max on the day one. So which has got the A14 Bionic chipset and 6GB RAM in this iPhone 14 Pro Max device. So let's find out friends what's going on regarding the temperatures in the starting of the test and in the middle and at the end of the test. We'll try to see the temperatures, how it's maintaining throughout the time. So right now the test has been started successfully, and you can see the temperatures. It's about 23 degrees Celsius. On the back side you can see 24.6. So right now even my room temperature is also pretty low because of this winter time, slightly kind of very cold, but you can see overall the phone temperature is 23.6 degrees Celsius. And let's wait for the results and let's see what will be the overall high temperatures we can actually expect in this device. And I'll definitely do a lot of comparison with other Snapdragon processors. For example, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor which I got right now, 8 plus Gen 1 processor from the ROG Phone 6 and other mobile phones. I'll definitely do the in-depth comparison side by side. But right now let's see what's gonna be the benchmark test in this iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'm gonna be back after some time. So right now as you can see it's been 70% regarding the benchmarks, and right now let me to check the temperatures. It did reach up to 30 degrees Celsius. As you can see 30.4. On the back side it did reach also 32, 33.6, 34.2. I'm getting the highest of 34.2 on the back side reading, as you can see at this camera position. So 34.4 is the highest reading so far in this iPhone 14 Pro Max. And the battery dropped by 1%. So from 95 dropped to 94 while performing this testing. And this on the day one after the unboxing while I'm trying to do this kind of testing. And I'm gonna be back after some time at the end of the benchmark test results. Then we can discuss overall scores, what's going on in this device. And this phone has got the 6GB of RAM capabilities as well, and 256GB is the storage variant which I have ordered. And I'm gonna be back after some time. And finally guys, we got the benchmark scores, and the phone did reach up to 9,76,000 regarding the benchmarks on the day one after unboxing. As you can see, this is the scores which I got: 9,76,000, 9,76,910. And you can see the CPU scores and the GPU scores, how much it did reach while performing the testing. And this is the overall benchmark scores you can actually expect in this iPhone 14 Pro Max on the day one after unboxing with the A16 Bionic chipset, and which has got the 6GB of RAM capabilities. And the highest temperatures it did increase up to 34 degrees Celsius while performing the testing. So these are the few details which you should know about this device. And meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and in case if you have other questions, let me know in the comments below. And I'll definitely do the side-by-side comparison with other Snapdragon processors which I got right now in my studio. Until instead of more updates, and bye.